Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Special RV. I am going to make a Holi rainbow cake. This is a rainbow cake. Isn't it looking good? Let's go. See, how is it looking beautiful? Let's get started. Take a ball and put half cup fresh curd along with 1 cup of powdered sugar and half cup of oil. Now mix it well. Now for the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Put a strainer on bowl. Now add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Strain it properly and mix it well. Now mix it well. Take 3/4 cup of milk to make perfect batter. Mix it well until it becomes smooth. Take 4 bowls and fill batter in it. Take food color, make it in different color. This is orange color. Now it is green color. You can use any color which you have. Now I will add red color. Take a baking tray and put the batter one by one in the tray. See how beautiful is looking it. Now bake it for 45 minutes in the kadhai. Here it is. How colorful it is. Now I decorate with whipped cream and design it properly. If you like this cake, so like, share and subscribe. Thank you.